Husband. Honey, how come you're falling asleep instantly now? You used to toss all night. Wife. Tick-tock sleep whisperer. He said to say, I am floating. I am light. I am asleep. It works. Husband curious. Maybe he can fix my snoring? Wife. Please. Yes, go. Next night. Husband sleeps like a baby. No snoring. No twitching. Just silence. Wife wakes up smiling. Then, hears faint whispers from the closet. She tiptoes over. Husband, eyes closed, is standing in front of a mirror. I don't eat her snacks. I don't eat her snacks. I don't eat her snacks. Behind him on the shelf, her missing stash of chocolate bars.